This is the gold bar you bought. But wait, could it actually be gold-plated copper or gold-plated silver? So how can you verify its authenticity and purity without using fire? All you need is a glass of water. First, take a high-precision digital scale and weigh the gold bar. In this example, it weighs exactly 1 kilogram. Of course, weight alone isn't enough to determine whether it's genuine. Next, place a cup of clean, purified water on the digital scale and press the tare button to reset the reading to 0 with the cup and water on it. Then, tie a thin string around the gold bar and slowly lower it into the water until it is completely submerged. Be careful not to let it touch the bottom or the sides of the cup. The scale now reads 51.8 grams. This number is actually equal to the volume of the gold bar, which is 51.8 cubic centimeters, because the weight shown corresponds to the weight of the displaced water. Now divide the bar's weight, 1,000 grams, by its volume, 51.8 cubic centimeters, to calculate its density. 1,000 divided by 51.8 is approximately 19.305 grams per cubic centimeter. We know that the density of pure gold is 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter. Next, divide the measured density, 19.305, by the standard density, 19.32, to obtain a purity factor of approximately 0.9992. In other words, you've indeed purchased 99.92% pure gold. On the other hand, if the measured density is significantly lower than 19.32 grams per cubic centimeter, there's a good chance you've bought a bar made of copper, iron, silver, or another metal instead, since the densities of those metals are generally much lower than that of gold. Congratulations! You've just learned the water displacement density test.